Balik.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Rizal. Today, I will share you about Filipino tradition, Bayanihan. This is one of the most beautiful and cultural practice in the Philippines because it shows unity, kindness, and willingness to help others without expecting any return. The word Bayanihan comes from Filipino word bayan, which means community or town. It represents the idea that when people work together, they can achieve great things. Traditional Bayanihan is a Filipino cultural practice that embodies the spirit of the communal unity, cooperation, and mutual assistance. It most famous and represents the act of the entire community coming together to help the family move their bahay kubo or nipa hut from one place to another by carrying it on bamboo poles. This practice symbolizes the Filipino values of pakisama or getting along with others, damayan or helping in times of need, and malasakit or compassion others. Beyond physical moving houses, Bayanihan also applies the various forms of collective effort, such as farming, rebuilding, and disaster and community project. While modern times have changed how people express Bayanihan, the essence of cooperation of volunteers remains strong in Filipino society. In the past, when a family needed to move their house, the entire community would help. Men would lift the house using long bamboo pole and carry it to a new location, while women and children provide food and support. After the house was safely moved, the homeowners would prepare a simple feast or sign of gratitude. Modern Bayanihan still reflects the Filipino spirit of unity and cooperation, but was involved beyond a physical carrying house. Today, it takes the form of community-driven initiatives, volunteers work, crowdfunding, and digital solidarity. For example, people come together to support disaster relief efforts, organize clarity events, or even assist fellow students and professionals through knowledge sharing and mentorship. Disaster response Bayanihan communities organize and individuals come together to provide relief, rescue, and rebuilding effort during calamities such as typhoon, earthquake, or flood. Example include the donation drives, volunteer rescue team, and rebuilding home and affected families. Digital Bayanihan, the use of technology and social media to mobilize, help, and spread awareness and support the causes. For example, include the crowdfunding and medical expense of online foundation application and sharing job opportunities and social media to help employ the individuals.
Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am. Tambok ka. Pero to buang.
Hindi ka. May ka na.